Hello everyone, welcome to CyberReady's video on securing your laptop in 3 easy steps. So the first thing we're going to do is turn on updates from Windows. And in order to do that, we're going to open the search bar at the bottom and we're going to type in settings. And on the bottom left hand of your screen, you should see Windows Update. And this is the Windows Update screen. Downloading and installing all of these programs will instantly make you safer. Some of the programs in this are security intelligence updates, malicious software remover tools, all kinds of things that create and maintain your safety. After you click download and install, and then you will be given the option to restart your laptop. This will apply all of these updates, and it will take a couple of minutes. I sped it up for the purposes of this video. And now that we are updated, we're going to enter back into our computer. We're going to go to the bottom search bar and we're going to type in Windows Security. This is the page that is going to let us work on Microsoft Defender. McAfee comes free on this laptop, but eventually that free trial will end and you will not have an antivirus unless you set one up. So I always like to turn this option here. This is Microsoft Defender, and it will continue to periodically check on your laptop even if you have an antivirus or not. And finally, we're going to get to step 3, which requires us to have to go back into our settings. When you get to settings, you want to navigate down to account. And from your accounts page, you want to click on sign in options. From top to bottom, we don't really care about facial recognition right now. It's the least secure. The next best thing, though, is going to be that fingerprint. It is a really secure method of signing in. You can find the instructions there. We are going to update our PIN right now because I set a 4-digit numerical PIN, which is very easy to crack, very easy to break, can even be guessed. So we are going to include numbers and symbols into our PIN now, and we're going to create kind of like a passphrase. So for this one, after I show it to you, you can see that it says my new PIN, but I changed the P to a 9, and I didn't spell new as N-E-W. This just overall makes you more secure. The only thing I could have done here to make myself more secure is I could have maybe added an exclamation point somewhere or a period somewhere. But overall, that's a good PIN, and it makes you quite a bit safer. Finally, this is a hardware token. You can get these on Amazon, online somewhere. They vary in price, and depending on your needs, they have different levels of encryption. But yeah, that's it. Now you have turned on your updates, you have Defender running on your computer, and you've added layers of security to your login. This makes you way, way more secure. If this content helped you in any way, please consider liking this video. Please consider subscribing to this channel for more content just like this from CyberReady. Thank you, and have a great day.